a new book here that we're studying, Country Wisdom and Know-How. Everything you need to know to live off the land. Published in the recent times. How many years ago? Copyright 7 years ago by Black Dog. But it's interesting, the thing that they start off with, like the tagline, the blurb here. The joy of doing more for oneself, mastering a skill, being more independent, connecting in a very physical way with our land, our property, our earth. That's why we are drawn to this book. And this is by the president of the publisher, the publishing house. Back in the 1970s, during the Back to the Land era, when hippies were homesteading and gas and energy prices were sky high, Story began to publish a series of small booklets called Country Wisdom Bulletins, each one addressing a bite-sized piece of country know-how, a simple skill, some nitty-gritty information. The collection of bulletins grew into the hundreds, and eventually over 15 million copies were sold to people eager to discover the fun and satisfaction of doing more for themselves and their families. And now collected between the covers of this volume is a compendium. Hey, what? What? A compendium of treasured knowledge from hundreds of country wisdom bulletins. Whether you want to make a stone fence, make strawberry rhubarb jam, plant an herb garden, well, you'll find this book to be like your grandfather or grandmother that you never had, at your elbow, showing you how. The babies learn to deal with themselves. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here. Hi. 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 There he is again. The one, the only. The Venero, which I call Chuki Chico. Come on. He just likes to be held. I gotta go do that.